Hello, this is just a simple refresher reminder on the different elements of Scratch, what you can do, and really the basics of each of the 8 areas of the menus, and a little bit of terminology as well. So with Scratch, we use sprites. Sprites are little images, such as Scratch Cat here. Sprites appear on the stage, and the stage is the background main event for what you're going to be doing. So if you're creating a platform game, it could be different levels of the platform. If it's a racetrack, it could be racer. If it's Pong, you can have whatever color you want, whatever background you want. It's as simple as that. Scripts are created in this middle bit here, and we'll create a nice little easy simple script in a minute. Over here we have got the 8 different main areas. We've got motion, which as you can guess deals with motion. Looks of it, so what Scratch Cat does, how it looks, what happens with it, so we've got the idea about costumes. Sound, if you want to play different sounds, it comes built in with different sounds. You can record your own sound, you can stop sounds. Pen, as it says, it's a pen. Control, so when it's doing things here, we've got the idea of something happening forever, so it keeps going on and on and on and on and on. We've got repeat, like forever, but you can set how many times it does something, so repeat 10, repeat 20, repeat a million. Difference is forever will keep on going for as long as the program goes on. Got the idea of broadcasting, when you're receiving information, the idea of something will happen forever if something has happened, so forever if it is touching a wall, it will bounce off it. Simple if statements, we've got if and else, wait until, repeat up till, and then stops, and then stop everything. These two you'd use for ending a game or if a player loses all of their lives. Sensing, they can be touching the mouse pointer, they can be touching the edge, they can be touching pretty much anything you want. Touching color, so if you've got a colored background, if it's touching that. If a particular color is touching a different color background, you can ask it questions. If the mouse has gone to a particular location using the XY idea for axis, if the mouse has been clicked, if a button on the keyboard has been clicked, so if you're moving around, if something's been clicked, move to the left. We've got the idea and concept of timers here, position, loudness, and sensor values. Operators, simple maths, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Random number, less than, equal to, greater than. Idea of Boolean operators, so and, or, and not, and joining bits of text here. And for some reason, we've got different bits of math. So we've got tan, cos, sin. So if you want to create yourself a calculator, go for it. Finally, we've got variables. Variables are pieces of data that you can create, which you can store things. So for example, if you're developing a racing game, you could have a variable called X speed, you have a variable called Y speed. You could use it for recording a score. Possibilities are endless. So we're going to create a very quick, very simple script here. So we can go to control and drag this over. So this is saying when the green flag here is clicked, something's going to happen. And that's always going to happen until everything gets stopped. So by either you manually clicking on stop everything or stop all or stop script. Different sprites can have different scripts attached with them. So all we're going to do is we are going to get rid of that. When the space bar is clicked, he's going to move 10 steps. So we click on the flag, and there we have him moving. Now the task for you guys is nice, easy, and simple. Get him to move different directions. So we can use up, down, right, left arrows, or if you're a gamer, WASD arrow on the keyboard. You might want to think about turning degrees, because otherwise he's just going to stay like this forever, and that's not going to look as good. Good luck.